All right, Caden. So today we are going to be learning about Scratch. You've said you've heard of Scratch, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're going to go look at a program that I've already coded. It's not a program, but it's something I've already coded. I want you to take a look at it, and we're going to be using something called the Prim method. P-R-I-M-M. And the P stands for predict. Do you know what predict means? To predict
Guess.
something, right? What kind of guess? Can you give me a little bit more of an answer with that? Not just a guess, because I can guess your age and say you're 2, and does that make any sense? No. So what kind of guess?
Like,
That's okay. But maybe like something, a guess using information that you've already learned, right? Or
Yeah.
you've already observed. Then you have the R, which stands for run. And what do we mean when we say run? I know you know a lot about computers.
like, start it up.
Mm-hmm. We're going to run the code. Then the I is investigate. And what does investigate mean? Do you know?
Like to find the solution or figure out what the item you're trying to figure out is.
Okay, yeah, that's a great answer. Like dig in there, right? You want to go dig in it and see what's going on. And then we have our first M, which is modify. Modify. Do you know what modify means?
Add?
Yes, in a
Edit?
way. Yes, absolutely. It means edit. That's exactly what it means. To edit, to change something. Modify means to change. Very good. And then the last one is make. And that one should be the fun one. I want you to make your own Scratch project, okay?
All right.
I know you have a pretty good background in computer. You're what we call computer literate. You know a lot about computers, okay?
Yeah.
All right, so here is my program with my name, okay? And I want you to kind of look at it. And I'm going to let you fool with it, but I want you to take a look. I'm going to go back and I'm going to start at the first sprite. You know we call those sprites? Okay. Take a look at the code. Where's the code? What do you think the code is? What is that on the screen? Can you show me the code? Is this the Scratch you're familiar with? Okay.
To change the size of the item.
All of that, yes. All of this is code. All of it. Okay.
Yeah.
You can even come investigate over here when it's time for you to look around. We have, look what that says.
Move 10 steps.
Right. All kinds of
really.
movement. Mm-hmm. We have looks. You can get it to say something. Switch costumes. The sizes can change. Sound, that one's pretty obvious, right?
Yeah.
Events. Read that. What does that say?
When flag clicked.
When the green flag is clicked, yeah. Yep.
Yeah.
So you can start your program that way, right?
When the green flag is clicked, it runs the command.
Correct. Very good. Okay, so take a look at that. So looking at what you're looking at now, what do you think is going to happen? What are we going to predict? What do you think is going to happen when you run that program? Make yourself a couple notes right there. You can take clues from anything too. Oh, let me close the door. That's Dallas. Okay. All right. And what did you say?
It will make the item bigger than the normal size.
Okay. All right. Now, I want you to go ahead and run it. Do you know how to run it?
Yeah.
Okay. Go run it for me. Okay. Each one. I want you to do each one.
All right.
So start on the T, since that's my first letter of my first. You got to click on the, you can do that, yeah. Or you can even, because what does it say right here?
In the sprite.
So go click the sprite. Yeah, there you go. Okay. And how do we stop it? Do you know how to stop it from running? Look up top. Take some clues from up top. There you go. Good job. Okay, so now you ran it and you see what it did. And if you go back and look at each sprite, right, each letter, it's going to show you what? What is that?
The code.
The code, okay? So now that you ran it, tell me some things that you noticed or wondered about the code when you ran the program. These are your notes. Don't forget. So you can abbreviate, you can, whatever you need to do. Okay, what did you say?
I said I noticed that the letters did exactly what my prediction was.
Okay, awesome. Okay, so now I want you to go in there and I want you to go investigate. I want you to go look at, what do you think you're going to be looking at a little more closely? Since I want you to go investigate. What do you think you're going to be looking at?
Like, what's different about them?
I love that. That's a great answer. So, what do you notice? Tell me.
I noticed that the R, the
Mhm.
A, and the Y are the same.
Very good. That's right.
And the C and the T are different.
Okay, so there's difference in the coding, in the
Yeah.
commands under two of the sprites compared to the other three. Great job. Okay, so now that you took a look at that and you looked at what the code was, read that code for me right there for the Y.
When the sprite clicked, repeat 10, change size by 5, change size by -15, set size to 100%.
So what does that mean, do you think? You're investigating.
When you
What
click
do
the sprite, it'll
Mhm.
repeat 10 times.
Mm-hmm.
It'll repeat 10 times, changing the size by 15.
So what does that mean, change the size by 15?
Like, make it, if it's like 20, it'll make it lower. If the normal height is 20, it'll make it lower. But if it's like 5, it'll make it bigger.
Okay, so it's gonna change the size by 15. It's gonna make it higher. So then what does that change the size by -15 mean?
Like, make it minus it by 15 or make it -15.
So what do you think if I'm changing it to go bigger by 15 and go down by 15? What is that going to do to it eventually? If I have my sprite here and I tell it to get bigger by 15 and go up 15, and then I tell it to turn around and go back down 15, right?
So go back to the normal size.
That's right. That's right. And then we put set size to 100%.
Set size to 100%.
Okay. So tell me what you noticed about the C.
Oh, I just missed it.
It's okay. What was different about the C? There's something different.
Well, you added a forever in it, so it does it forever until you unclick the sprite.
Do you know what we call those? The forevers? So it's called a loop. Forever loop. Yeah. Okay, good job. Now I tell you what, go modify something. Go pick one of them and modify, change something.
All right.
Just something little. Doesn't have to be anything major. You can, and look, that's the event. So pay attention to which color you're under, okay? Okay, try it out, see what happens. That's the A, right?
Yeah.
Click on it again. So what happened? What did you modify? What did you change?
So it doesn't like you wait a couple seconds and then it does it.
Mm-hmm. That's right. So you decided to wait how many seconds?
6.
6 seconds before it actually started the other commands it gave, right?
Yeah.
To repeat 10 times and then change the size.
Yeah.
That's awesome. All right. Now, would you like to go make something on your own and play around with it, see what you can do?
Sure.
Okay. Let's see. Let me get you a new program. A new, save this. And create new project. There we go. All right. And you know pretty well how to do this?
Kinda.
All right. Let's see what you got.
All right.
Anything you want, okay? You know where to add the sprites and all that?
Yeah.
Okay. Here, baby, you can pull it out. Okay, let's see what happens. Oh.
Helicopter.
I love it. All right, let me ask you this. Since we still have a few minutes, I have about 2 minutes left of video, but can you make it go faster? How would you make that go faster? It's okay if you don't know, because honestly, I would have to figure it out, but.
I think I know.
Okay.
Come on. I have no clue.
How could we get it to go faster? Let's think about what the code is saying.
I think this might.
That will make it glide to a random position. But that would still be interesting if you want to go try it.
All right.
He glides. Okay. But is he taking the 2 steps and still turning? Let's see.
No.
Click the green flag. Let's see. That's interesting. All right, let's take a look. I'm going to flip the camera around and see what you made.
Oh, it works. I nailed it.
So now you took, you're making him, so he says hello for 2 seconds and then he moves 12 steps. So you took out the turning.
Yeah.
The turning. Okay. Very cool. Thank you very much, sir.